Hello and welcome back to the freaking channel, my boys. Today we have this new fan because my car keeps on overheating with these little eBay ones. Let me go over here real quick. With these little eBay ones. I think the other ones are a little bit bigger, but still, it overheats too much. It's the next day. We're gonna go put the fan, we'll install the fan on my Civic because this keeps on overheating. Because these fans suck. That one, well, they don't suck if you know what I mean. So we're gonna replace it for the Spal one that's right there, top of that motor. I have another one that's a 10-inch and I have an 8-inch that's gonna go over here on this side of the radiator, right here, but inside. The 10-inch is gonna go right in here. The 9-inch, like I said, gonna go behind here, and hopefully it gets colder. So what we doing here, Dr. Kevin? Can you explain?
We're making a relay, and these fans require a relay.
If you didn't hear him because the fan, he's making a relay for the Spal fan because it requires one.
Okay.
What do you got to say to that?
Fuck that.
I'll snake it in. This motherfucker. Yo, viewers, listen. Don't ever half-ass it, okay? Don't ever half-ass it. Don't ever. Monkeypox?
De que salí para afuera.
Monopox. NBA drawers, bro? No way. What the f? eBay right here.
Shit,
Here are the eBays. And we got the Spal over here. Alright. Let's pick this bad boy up. Let's compare these bad boys together. Open down for me. So we're gonna test both of these to see if this one pushes more air than this one. I know it's gonna. Well, push it over here. We're gonna see if this one can push this box from here to wherever the hell it goes. Ay, bendito.
You don't want to stand it up maybe better?
Now that it blows this way.
You heard it move.
No way, that's not. Let's give it a fighting chance.
Stand it up.
Nothing, alright? You guys are comparing it right here, look at it. Right there to knock it down, okay?
Not really balanced that way.
Alright, let's try this one then. We're gonna put it exactly how.
Bitch!
You good, my boy?
Put my finger in there.
Don't put your fingers on this one. Alright, let's see.
That's it.
Unless you're really far, so it's not gonna reach that
Yo, how about you push it más para acá? Like twist it. There you go, now dude. Give it a fighting chance, bro. Come on.
It's only at 10 volts.
So it's supposed to be 12?
Yeah.
So just off rip, hold on, let me do it like this too now. We gave it the fighting chance like that. Let's do it like that now. Go. Woo! Go ahead.
Yeah, it's only at 12 volts still.
12 and 10?
I mean, it's only at 10.
It's at 10, supposed to be 12. Remember that.
It'll be strong.
So it was way stronger, right? Let's try this one more time. Ready? One more.
Come see? Come on.
One more.
Okay, I'm just putting the fan on.
You've seen that this one didn't even push it at all, basically.
You're gonna break it.
This one is pushing. I'm gonna have the 10 on the passenger side and the 9 on the driver's side. But we're only putting the 10 right now because the other one didn't come in yet. So, yeah.
You hungry?
We'll show you how it sounds after he installs it completely. So, yeah. Also, I forgot to mention, this doesn't come with no hardware to mount it, nothing. Just a fan. You could buy them separate, but it costs more with it, with that, with the little mounts and stuff. So we're taking it off these fans, the eBay fans that it came with. So he's putting it on right there, and yeah. I meant to point at this one, not at this one. This one didn't push nothing. So can you imagine this one ain't gonna do nothing at all? So we'll see. We'll see. That's the fan?
Yeah.
What was it touching?
No, I haven't moved it. That's a big ass difference. Look at the stuff.
Sheesh. Basically AC just for that cooler. I mean for the turbo. Damn, bro, that's a lot compared to the other one. The other one was literally doing nothing.
You only have one wired up right now. I gotta wire this one up.
Ooh-wee. The 9-inch is coming in like 2 days. Oh. I didn't think it was gonna make that big of a difference, to be honest.
Of course you did.
You know why?
You always doubt my skills.
Do I?
Yes.
Alright, fellas, so he's gonna explain now how he wired the relay and all that jazz.
This is just.
Oh, you gotta say it with your chest. Come on.
This is just a temporary relay.
It's not temporary. Whatever.
Alright, so it's a temporary relay that DSD because I ran out of wire. So all I did was pretty much get the signal wire from the factory relay when it activates. So go to this relay, ground, power, and then I have the, oh shit. Yeah, this relay ain't gonna last. So then yes, the signal wire is going from here to this and just tuck the wire and it's right here. I cut that from the factory, cut it. Now it has a new wire for the fan. Now, David, you want me to turn it on so they can hear it?
Yeah, go turn it on.
You able to turn it on?
Go turn it on.
Let me put this back here.
Like he said, it's temporary. I doubt it, but it's temporary.
It is temporary.
Damn, my car looks good in this freaking light. Whew. Alright, he's gonna turn it on. Check it out. That's just one fan. The other fan is not working. It shit the bed. Hold up. Demonstration. Look at that shit. It's getting tossed over there. The other one wasn't even doing that. Look at that. I let it go. It's just there. Alright, Kevin, turn it off. There you go. See, you see how I fell? That's crazy. It's just one fan, like I said. One. The eBay one on the driver's side shit the bed. We're waiting for the 9-inch to come in, which is coming in like in 2 days, so we could put it where that one shit the bed. Replace that one. And yeah, and then maybe get one more in the front of the intercooler so it could just suck in air and, you know. But for now, this is how it sits. Okay? Oh, you're good. You have space.
You gotta take the oil on this car.
Do a burnout.
Nigga, that fan is loud.
Do a burnout. And off he goes. Hold up. Suéltalo. It's so cold with the fan, can't even keep up. Look at that bad boy, all in the floor. All right, so check it out. I've been driving this for about 20 minutes, non-stop. Bro, that's just a one fan, one. Can you imagine with two of them? My old ones would have been overheating right now. The gauge would have been more than half. That's crazy. So I'm not gonna upload this video until I install the 9-inch as well. So you can see how cold it really is. Well, how cold it really gets with both of them. So yeah. It's the next day and the fan came in for the other side. I'm gonna unbox it and show you what it comes with, and we're gonna install it. That's literally all it comes with. Just the fan. Nothing else. Let's go put this on. Before, after, baby. This one died on me.
Look at this fucking junk, bro.
This is the new one. Woo-wee. I didn't put that here. Kevin did. Should I go bang him? I'm the what? Thank you. Do it again, music. Let's feel that wind. Sheesh, it's gonna cool down the whole fucking block. Alright, so he's gonna connect it the same way he has the other one connected. Whenever I turn on the car, the fans stay on. You guys are gonna say, oh, why don't you guys do it the OEM way? Bitch, this thing ain't OEM, alright? Look at it. And we need it to cool down as much as possible because this mother flower is hot in here. After we're done with this, well, not we, after he's done with this, I'm gonna take this car to the dude that welded my downpipe. I'm gonna take it again over there. He's gonna weld the dump tube into the headers. So that way I could just wrap everything together with heat wrap. And after that, it should be cold enough or cool enough in this engine bay. Hopefully. Well, he's basically done wiring everything. I'm gonna go take it out for a little spin. I'm gonna put my little GoPro on top over here and I'm gonna go for a little drive. Go to Walmart, go get some food, come back, and I'll tell you if it overheats or doesn't. Supposedly I heard when you do this to your shift knob, supposedly it gives you like 50 horsepower more.
50 more?
50 minimum, they said. For each pump.
For each pump and dump?
At least 2,000 right there.
I'm coming. Oh yeah, don't do that.
Sucking out, give 20 bucks.
RXA, huh?
The RXA better get on my face so I dust them.
RXA better get washed. Damn girl, I like your shoes.
Get your heavy ass fucking nigga like a damn rug on me.
Suck your dick, bro. Yeah, and you changed the headlight or two in your lifetime, right?
Yes, sir.
Shit.
Que maldito bump. I'm over here doing pulls, nigga, and the axle's fucked up.
When you're rolling, so it'll be alright. As he does both.
What happened?
I said as you do both.
Whoa, slow down.
I'll see that kid there.
So I drove it for about 40 minutes non-stop, and it's still good. Didn't overheat yet. But yeah, the fans, I just turned it off right now, but the fans is a must-have. You can hear it right now. They're on, but it's a must-have. When I didn't have these fans, this thing will overheat like after 5 minutes. That freaking gauge will go like more than halfway up. Yeah, way more than halfway up. So I recommend these freaking fans. They're great. But yeah, it's the end of the video. Yeah, I know it's freaking dark as hell here. I got no lights. Let me see. Wow. But yeah, it's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more content. And yeah, deuces.
Run this shit, I'm rapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know I got that propane.